2007 Audi V8 RS4. Look at that. Sexy blue. Sexy blue. You don't see a lot of these on the road. It's only got 50,000 miles on it. 52,000 original miles, guys. Good luck finding another one with that low of miles. Anyways, factory converter. Second one there. Third one there. Fourth one there. And then what we did, he wanted the original clamps there, so we didn't take them off. We cut it right here in the middle, took that resonator out right there, and put an X pipe in its place to clean up the sound and make it sound party, and added hangers and stuff. So when you guys want to do it, make sure you put an X pipe in right there. It just cleans up the sound. And then we left the original mufflers out the back, there and there. And original tips with the valves built in, if you guys can see them, there and there. There's the resonator that we cut off, right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Huh?
He can rev the snot out of it.
He can? Rev the snot out of it, he says. Not bad. Here's sound decibels. Not bad. 98 with the stock factory mufflers and valves. Again. Going down the road, they're open fully. Oh gosh, it's gonna be crazy.
They're open right now. They're not closing. Thank God.
Not bad. Go on and back it up. Beautiful blue. We gotta take those mufflers off.
I'm doing frequency intelligence.
Oh, really?
I still want neighbors to not despise me.
You don't care about your neighbors. Come on, man. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside.